If the reservoir has not completely leaked out, make sure to catch the washer fluid and reuse it or dispose of it correctly. Begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle and remove the left front wheel. Then, working in the front trunk area, remove the battery cover, red arrow, and the left side trim piece, blue arrow. For additional assistance with those tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. You are going to remove the fill spout. It is held in place by a plastic clip on the spout itself, red arrow. Lift this back and slide the spout back off the tank. This image shows the spout off the tank and the clip that you are going to lift back on, red arrow. With the left front wheel removed, you are going to remove the rear section of the wheel well liner. There are 5 T27 Torx screws, red arrows, and 3 10mm plastic nuts, blue arrows. Remove these and remove the liner from the wheel well. You can separate the windshield line from the chassis here, red arrow, or at the pump. I choose to do it at the pump as the line can get brittle. Either way, a heat gun or hairdryer will help warm up the plastic line if you have one and save you splitting the line and replacing it. Remove the line from the tabs in the reservoir indicated by the blue arrows. Use a 13mm socket and remove the single nut holding the tank in place, red arrow. Wiggle the tank slightly up and down as you pull it forward. Remove the line from the tabs on the side by the fender, red arrow. The reservoir sits in 2 grommets in the chassis, blue arrows. If one or both of the grommets has come off with the tank, just take them off the tank and place them back into the chassis. If you are not replacing the headlight washer pump, just pull it up and out from its rubber gasket in the tank, red arrow. If you are replacing it, separate the wiring connection, red arrow. Pull the pump out and replace the rubber grommet, blue arrow. Separate the fluid line again. Use a heat gun to help soften the line when separating, green arrow. On the inside of the tank, you will see the level sender, red arrow, and the windshield washer pump, blue arrow. If you are replacing the pump, pull the pump out and replace the rubber grommet, blue arrow. Separate the fluid line again. Use a heat gun to help soften the line when separating, green arrow. Separate the wiring connection. Installation is the reverse of removal. A little coolant on the bottom of the pump nozzle will help seat it in the grommet. If you are just replacing the tank, leave everything connected so you don't risk splitting the line, red arrow. The level sender just unplugs, blue arrow, and is a friction fit in the grommet. Just pull it straight out. Installation is the reverse of removal, and don't forget to refill your tank. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.